Welcome to a toy day. Box cap, baby. Let's see. Let's see here. They all look so nice. Which one do you think we're gonna get? Probably the fire truck. You know, we haven't got the school bus yet. The fire truck. I think we need the ambulance. There's not that many left, you know. Maybe a secret. Maybe a secret. Maybe it's hamburger. I think it's gonna be fire truck. What do we got here? Oh, it's the school bus. Oh, see, it has a little backpack on top. That's kind of tight. Looks like a little face even. Yeah. Oh, get out of here. School bus. It looks just like it. Just like it. Box. These ones do have the nice, a lot of them did anyway, the nice matte feel. It is number 03069. It is the school bus. It is the school bus. I've enjoyed this entire series. I still want the hamburger. We shall see. You know, I'm only going to buy the one case. It's not like I go online and buy individual ones, you know. I like to pull them myself. It's not that big a deal if I don't get the whole thing, but it'd be nice to get that hamburger. You got the front lights, you got the back lights. It's like when they're dropping the kids off and such, like, pew, pew, pew. Nice. Alright, that's going to do it. Remember, toy a day keeps homework away. We'll see you tomorrow.